Hi y'all, so if you want to see this look and how I got tan being pale, go ahead and watch this look and find out how you go from pale to super tan. Go ahead and keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to teach you how to look tan. If you're as pale as me and look like a ghost, it's not too easy getting a tan. So I'm going to show you how to look like you've gotten tan. So I'm going to put my hair up and then we are going to start. Okay, so the first step is going to be sunscreen. And this is the Lime Life. Right there. So this is going to act like a primer. Obviously you're going to look so tan you want sunscreen underneath so, you know, face doesn't get burnt. So as pale as a ghost, so my makeup's not gonna work, so I'm gonna use my mother's makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and take her foundation. Just wanna get that everywhere. She has like 10 different colors, so depending on how many colors you have, you can figure out what kind of tan you want. I'm going for that, you know, it's winter out here, but I want to be really tan, like it's the middle of summer tan. So you just go ahead, take on some dark makeup. You know, you want them to think that you've been at the tanning salon for a couple hours. So it looks pretty blended, right? Oh, make sure you got it on your nose. Your concealer, obviously you want to do a color that is lighter than your foundation or else that just ain't gonna look good. You want to brighten your eyes up. Make sure you got it right here because you're gonna be doing eyeshadow. So you want to make sure that you have a base so that you guys can see, you know, tan. We're going to look real tan. So just right there. Right there. Make sure you blend it in. Obviously you want to make sure that you look like you don't have a big forehead. Here's some more. And then make sure your chin looks snatched. So you want to get a nice deep pink blush and blend that all there. And then with the bronzer, I'm kind of just gonna bring that all down. I want to look super bronze, so bring that down. And I like my brows to go, you know, I want people to know my facial expression without them trying to figure it out. So you do the same thing. Good. You don't really need to do any blending. But you do, since your brows are so dark, you do want to put a little mascara on them just to keep them in place. Bring those hairs up a little bit. Eyeshadow. Like I said, you don't want to have much expression. You want, you know, let the people, or let your face do the talking. You don't need to do the talking. Alright, so obviously we want to use darker colors. So we're going to start off with right here. So usually this side of my face, this eye doesn't have much room because, you know, the eyebrow's so highlight on large. Obviously, since you're tan now, you're not going to use, you know, a bright highlight. You're going to use something around like pink or gold. So just put that right there. And you could do eyelashes if you want. I don't really want to do that because I don't want to take away my tan face. I don't want people to, you know, focus on my eyelashes. I want them to focus on, you know, how tan I am. So yeah, thank you for watching. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe.
And hit that bell.
Hit that bell.